This is kind of cool. This is kind of the back streets of Jiangmen, and it's like a little tourist shop, but they have a nice chair right here that you can sit in as well. And then they have all these kind of back alley stuff everywhere. So it's called Jiangmen. I'll put it up on the map so you can see exactly where we are, and then we'll keep on filming and showing it to you. Oh yeah, Jiangmen, China. I love this kind of big city actually. It's kind of small but kind of big. Kind of not very well known, but also kind of well known among the Chinese. Anyways, it's up on the map so you can see exactly where we are, and then we're also going to be in this kind of certain area, so I'll just put like a bigger square around that area. And without further ado, let's just get into it, and you can join me as if you were there yourself with me. Let's do it. Nice place to sit right there, right? Yeah, it's so cool. Okay, so we're going to be walking by, and we got some tourist shops stuff in here too. And these are all these little shops, but you can meander through all these alleys. We're going to just kind of meander around a little bit. Got some music, hope it doesn't affect the video. I want to go down this way. I don't know if that's going to affect the video or not, so we're going to kind of meander through that. And then we have this little thing that people are taking pictures of through this space. So we'll come up through here too. So in that we did another video, we were over there, that so if you maybe you saw those other ones. So I'm kind of in a tourist area now. I'm gonna say hello again. Hello. We got GoPro, YouTube. So YouTube channel. So if you have YouTube, yeah, bye. They said hello to me earlier, so they were over here, and they were here sitting, so so hello to them. I was going to share them that I have a YouTube channel, but so that's why I was telling them that. Okay, so we're going to keep on walking around. Hopefully that music doesn't affect it, and I'm gonna kind of go to this other area, which is also I kind of want to combine it. If I walk there, it'll take a little bit of time. It's kind of cool. There's like these places you can get beer, Asahi. So it's like a kind of a bar. This is a sit. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna walk straight to the... There's kind of stuff to go all the different ways. I'm gonna turn off the camera for a little bit because I'm gonna use this bathroom, and then I'm gonna go to a different area altogether and combine them. Oh, there's like more cool stuff. How will I turn off the camera if I keep seeing stuff that I should be filming? Take a bar. Oh, there's like more cool stuff everywhere. I gotta go use this little space in there. Just like that. It's also interesting too. And that's interesting. This is has a bar name too. Barber shop. Let me just see what this. Okay, we're gonna go over there in a minute. There's a cat on the car too. The cat is on the convertible car. That's not good for a convertible car. Okay, we're gonna go up there in a second. Okay. So I was here about a couple hours ago. So I was got a snack from this one right here. Coffee shop. Beautiful balcony. The city's beautiful. Love the architecture. Oh, I thought there was a bunch of people here. Maybe they went inside. Hello. Hello. 我只求今生今世共度，天意换海枯，心灵一片土，连泪水都能灌溉这幸福。我不管爱在深刻。Okay, so I am going to continue onward. And just kind of give you an idea of what it's like to walk around in Jiangmen. It's pretty cool. It's old windows. I like that window style. These little alleys too. Okay. So we're kind of coming up in a, let me see. Looks like there's a lot of artwork on these buildings here. So I think we're going to follow that path, but I also want to capture some of these art buildings. There's more musicians up there. I want to follow the music. That's really smart on their part, because that brings you down that way. And I don't know what's down there, so it could be a whole other neighborhood that I should be exploring. But I do know there's cool stuff up here, so I kind of want to walk in that direction. Huh. Something up here called Booze Park. Let's see. So I kind of want to see what that is all about. Check out those balconies. So yeah, Booze Park kind of implies a drinking area. Booze Park. There's little windows. Yeah, it definitely implies coffee. And kind of the other thing that drew me to this area is all these artwork everywhere. Here's the 33 steps. There's so much artwork. Jiangmen is I think this is called Jiangmen. Pretty cool artwork. Okay. This is the artwork that we just saw a little while ago. Huh. Booze Park. But there's even a waterfront. There's more stuff than... Okay, let's see. I think there was an area down here that had like film stuff. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the camera off. Okay, so we are going to try to go down this way. There's an ice cream shop here. And this just goes up into this other little neighborhood altogether. So I think last time I was here, I did film over in that area a little bit. There's also a Jiangmen sign. So we'll walk towards that sign, and then there's all these references to like movie references. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come to an end for this one. There's the Jiangmen sign right there. And we're just gonna walk into this little space. But there are all these movie references everywhere in here. So as you can see. So I don't know why the movie references are here, but they are. There was a movie, there's another one right here too. There's a movie called Knocked Out. I think it's called Knocked Out. I think it was a series. Here's even a like kind of Tai Chi style. And I think this area is called Qiming Li. So yeah, I think this is called Qiming Li. I think we're going to come to an ending for this particular video. Okay, so hopefully you like this one as well. Yeah, so I inadvertently end up filming Qiming Li. Some tourist references. Okay, hope you like that one too. There's a taste of Jiangmen for you.
Bless you, Jiangmen. Just tell me when I'm gonna Jiangmen. Just tell me when I'm gonna Jiangmen.